All right, 3P Mercury's interface has gotten a massive, massive facelift or enhancements, as you can say. There's a lot to go through, and I'm going to try my best to not forget anything. But basically, if you look, I'm going to go through it page by page. If you look right up top, there is now this global menu bar, and this can be accessible at any page in the site. So if you look at it, here are custom fees. You can click on it and manage your custom fees anywhere throughout the site. Import data, importing leads can be accessed anywhere from the site. You no longer need to go to the lead vault to do that. You can import your buy costs from here as well, right? So if you just started with the system and need to load the buy cost into the system, you can go ahead and do that. Importing purchase orders is through here as well. So all global imports are through here. Adding products to a queue, you can add products here and look at your queue. If you're adding products via the lead vault, for instance, or the purchase order page, you can access the queue directly from here. Live cost queues can be managed through here. This is where you update all of your live costs for your source links. So if you we talked a lot about live cost features. This is where you can manage them. And this is the live cost queue itself, where you can view all of these, the results of your live costs that are have ran in the background. You can go ahead and view them here and manage them however you want through this global toolbar. Also, take note that here in the login, we've moved a few things. So for instance, the new user on board, you can access it through here. You can still access it here in the left-hand side as before, but it is moved to here as well. In your settings, you can click settings and go directly to your settings page directly from here, and changing the site to dark mode can be accessed through here as well, okay? And the next thing you'll notice is the M.E.R.C page, the dedicated M.E.R.C page is gone. So for M.E.R.C, we integrate it all into one dashboard to reduce the amount of, bouncing around the site as much as possible. Now, as M.E.R.C advances and we add more and more modules to this page, we're going to start adding more of these modules here, and future enhancements are coming to this page as well. But you'll notice with M.E.R.C here, there is now a scrollable bar where there is 100 loaded purchase recommendations instead of in the old page where it only show you 14 of them. So you can see a lot more now. We've also replaced the M.E.R.C scoring. It used to be a color-coded dot, and instead of it just being a color code, we actually show you the M.E.R.C score that is there. So you can rely on it using a coloring method or by actually looking at the score, and you can see that here. Now, one of the biggest changes, of course, is that the entire site is accessible through your mobile device. So if you look at here, everything is formatted properly for your mobile device throughout the site. So if you guys are doing retail arbitrage or on your phone a lot, you can definitely access everything, and everything should be formatted properly for your mobile device, and smaller screens as well. If you work on smaller laptop screens, you can definitely see that it is well formatted for those smaller screen real estate. Next up is the score itself. If you click on the score, instead of it being a hover over that kind of give you the old check marks kind of thing, now what we do is we actually apply a lot more of that, intelligence into this modal here, where you can see the score, you can see the image, you can look at the recommendation itself and what the confidence score is. You can see the old, what the old things that it's checking for, but it's also showing you a lot more things: profit margin, ROI, what the buy recommendation is, right? And it shows you, the average sales per month. All of these things are now integrated into this new pop-up that you see here. So you get a lot more data, a lot more information, and a lot more is going to come to this Merc score details feature in the near future. But right now, it's displaying a lot more information than you used to have. So this is a really great addition. Okay, so this is the new dashboard with the M.E.R.C integration, and then this is also the global header, quick toolbar right here that you can access a lot of items here. So now going on to the lead vault. If you look at the lead vault, things look a lot more condensed now. Now this is what we have called the compact view, where it is squeezed in so that you can see a lot more per row. Now what this does is it has turned the graph or the table that you normally see into a more selectable view. So if you only want to see the now, 30 days, 90 days, you can click through it. And this was done so that it saves you on real estate here. Also, when you hit update market data, the entire page doesn't refresh. So only the row itself is refreshed, or the data itself is refreshed. So you don't have to, lose your spot on wherever you are sourcing from. And so, yeah, now you get to see a lot more per page. And then also in this page, what we did was we integrated in the M.E.R.C score on the lead vault page as well. So you can also click on here and see the lead, the M.E.R.C data. So this is really huge, right? On top of that, we added the FBA and FBM offers here onto the lead vault. So within the filters itself, you can filter by M.E.R.C data, M.E.R.C score, and then M.E.R.C FBA offers. You can say, look for offers where there's low FBA presence. We've done a lot of training on this, where you can essentially find all of your leads where there are, very low or even no FBA sellers on the listing. So it gives you a huge advantage on ignoring the buy bots and that kind of thing. So you can play with that and use these M.E.R.C offers now within the lead vault. So that's huge. Now also within the lead itself, the ASIN cost and what you want to sell it for is completely updatable without having to click this edit button. So you could just edit the thing directly from here. So let's say I want to sell this thing for $50. You see that the sales price has updated, and all of the profit data and everything like that is now updated immediately without you having to edit the lead and come back and then do a refresh or whatever. All of that is completely done for you. You can update your gate status check from here by just clicking these right here, if you just want to do one by one and just check to make sure. So these are very, very big convenience features for you that you can use directly on this page. Now, what if you don't like this compact view, right? What if you wanted to see it more immediate instead of having to click like this, right? So if you like the older view, we've also updated that as well. So you can just hit the card view right here instead of the compact view. You can do the card view, and you will see that the market data is in that table format that you're so used to seeing, so that you don't have to do multiple clicks to review the data. But of course, the compact view shows you more rows, more data per page, right, or more per before you have to start scrolling. So there is some trade-off, but if you're used to the way it used to look, then keep it on card view, and you'll be able to see this. But all of those convenience features are also still here for you, and you get to see more of the data all in one shot, right? So we have more screen real estate to see the data, and that way you don't have to click as much to see it, but it does take up more vertical space, as you can see here, okay? So everything else is still kind of the same. All of these action buttons are all pretty much the same, nothing new here, but really it's a much more refreshed look with some of this data here. Okay, let's move on. So the Restock page has gotten an update as well. So if we go to the Restock page, things are in this view as well. This is the card view, where you can see all of the market data and profitability data. MERC scoring is also loaded onto here as well. So once that has ran, you can see all of that. You can do gate check again. So everything is essentially the same in here, but reorganized a bit. Now, if you want to see the compact view, you'll get to see more of that data. Of course, things are a little bit smaller, so you get to see more per before you need to start scrolling. But of course, again, the trade-off is things get a little bit smaller. So pick whichever view that works out for you. And of course, this is also mobile friendly. So if you look at it from a mobile device, this is what it would essentially look like. So you can do pretty much everything in the site on a mobile device without worrying that things are going to get squeezed in and whatnot. Okay. Another thing worth mentioning is the live cost queue. If you guys want to, you normally have to go in here and check these boxes or click these toggles to have it auto update or auto clear the queue. Now it is saved as a setting. So as soon as you turn them on, they are automatically saved as a setting. So you no longer have to click this every time you enter the queue. So if I click on here again, you see that is automatically saved, and it remembers the next time that I go back into the queue, so I don't have to constantly click this thing every time I load the live cost queue. Okay, so that concludes the most recent revision of the user interface for 3P Mercury and some of the updates. There are a lot more to come, and we are going to continue to enhance the entire site to improve usability and add more and more features that will make your business more successful. So if you have any comments or any suggestions or anything like that, we'd love to hear from you. And yeah,